In today's video, I will walk you through how to buy gold on Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search for gold-related assets, review investment details, and complete a gold purchase using Robinhood on your computer. Start by logging into your Robinhood account on the website and confirming you are on the official secure page. Once you are signed in, click on the human-like icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click View More Details under Margin. A new window will pop up. From the menu, select Investing. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Use this search bar to enter the name or ticker symbol of a gold-related investment you want to buy. You can choose from several types of gold investments available on the platform. One option is gold ETFs such as GLD or IAU, which are designed to follow the price of gold. Another option is gold mining stocks, which represent companies involved in gold production and may use ticker symbols like gold or NEM. After selecting the asset you want, click on it to open its details page. On this page, review the available information, including price movement, charts, and other performance data. When you are ready to continue, click the Trade button and select Buy from the options that appear. Next, enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares you want to purchase. After that, choose the order type. Once you have made your selection, click Review to check all the details of your order. Carefully confirm the information before proceeding. If everything is correct, click Buy to complete your purchase. After submission, your gold investment will be processed and added to your portfolio.